Hi, this is Ruben from Legend Brands. Today we're going to show you how to winterize your accessories like your cleaning tools and your solution hoses. Now it's worth mentioning that the best way to go through this winter season with your truck mount and your tools is to just keep it in a heated garage through this season. Then you don't have to worry about it. But if that's not an option and this is going to be outside and you can't take your cleaning tools into heated storage overnight, then this is how you properly winterize those tools. If you haven't first winterized the unit or the chemical metering system, you're going to want to do that because that needs to be fully winterized with the antifreeze in the system in order to do this. So if you need to do that first, pause this video, go watch our videos on how you do that. There's a link up here on YouTube or in the description on Facebook, and then come back and you can do this process. So today I am joined with none other than Brendan Kimmel. He's our carpet cleaning instructor here in Burlington, Washington. He's going to tell us how we do this and what you need. Go for it, Brendan.
To winterize accessories, things like stair cleaning tools, carpet wands, and also to winterize hose. Very simple process. At this point, we've already winterized the truck mount. So the antifreeze is all the way up to the solution outlets right here. These are all connected to the same manifold right behind this piece of metal. So antifreeze is coming all the way up to here. So if I want to winterize a hose, for example, I'm just going to simply take my solution hose and connect that up to the solution outlet, and then I'd find a way to open up that by jamming my 1/4 inch fitting in there, opening that hose up thereby, turning on my solution pump. Now at this point, you can be on idle speed, no higher than low speed, and then go ahead and turn the pump on, and then I'll be quickly flowing antifreeze out of the system, and it's going to displace the water. We're going to look for the water to go from clear to red in this case, since I have a red antifreeze, and then shut it off as soon as it turns red. Now I'm fully winterized in that. Now I have a winterized hose. And then to go further and winterize my tool, I'm just going to connect it to the solution fitting right here, and I'm going to stick it in my 5-gallon bucket, squeeze the trigger. Now, and make sure, by the way, you have enough antifreeze in your water box. Before you do this operation, make sure you have some reserve in your water box, because these tools are going to take in a certain amount of antifreeze. But then as I winterize, I just pull the trigger, and then we're going to see it going from clear out of the wand spray jets to colored. Once it's colored, stop the trigger, I'm winterized.
All right, that was it. Easy, quick, love it. So we have finished winterizing the truck mount unit. We have finished winterizing the chemical metering system. Brendan has just shown you how to winterize the cleaning tools and solution hoses. You're good to go. Have the next few months off. Enjoy your break. No, just kidding. When you need to clean carpets, you will need to de-winterize all this stuff. We have created a playlist. You can see how to do that. You can click that up here on YouTube or in the description in Facebook. This method of winterization, all these components, is the same across all Legend Brands truck mounts. So there you have it. If this series was helpful to you, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing to our channel, and wherever you are, stay clean. See you in the spring. Enjoy your winter.